Good morning, good morning, guys. I haven't been able to give you guys an update lately on the Peppers project. We've been working every day, all day, 2, 3 in the morning. Right now it's super early, it's about 7 in the morning. I'm here at the Peppers project. Let me turn this facial thing off. Anyhow, I'm here at the Peppers project. As you can tell, there's a sink right there. Let me flip this around real quick. Alright, so we got all our plumbing done. So I don't know what I've recorded before and what you have seen so far, but pretty much we got all our plumbing done, mop, sink, everything. All the floor drains are in. We did the tile work. We did the plumbers finished up the sink, hand wash sink. I have a paper towel holder installed. I need 3 more for the rest of the sink, for this one right here, but everything is hooked up. We did our subway tile. I have vlogs in the previous videos of me doing all of this, just little snippets of it. We got some equipment in here. Some of these equipment we're not going to use it, it's just for mock-up, but I'm going to take them out. So like that refrigerator, we're not going to use. This one we're going to use. We're going to use that grill. The tables we're going to use. This warmer we're going to use. We got the fryers over there. They need to be cleaned up. Everything needs to be cleaned up. They're kind of dusty. But so far we got all our floors done. All our quarry tiles done. It's like 3,000 tiles, guys. Almost 3,000 tiles, or 4,000. I don't remember how much it was. 2,000 something tiles we did on the walls. AC guys still needs to give us the vents for those. We got all our tiles in. This section is still left out because they're still working on the hood. They got to put the stainless steel in the back and install the fan. He's coming this week to finish up that. But see, we got all our tiles done. We got all our tables. Don't mind the mess. I do a little bit of cooking while I'm here working, so we got our tables done. We got all our electrical outlets installed in all 3. That's a little warmer right there, French fryer warmer. All our electrical installed. Electricians had came out and did all the electrical work. We had gotten inspected and that was passed, so we did our final installation on the plugs. We're still waiting on some breakers to go in here. We ordered them, so we're still waiting on them. These type of breakers right here. It's a BL type bolt-in breaker. So if you notice, we got all our floors done in this little storage area office. We ran out of tiles, these brown ones, sandstone ones, so we had to buy these. I couldn't find these available locally, so we just did this room in that color tile. Those are the ceiling tiles. See, we got all the ceiling tiles done. We got our camera system installed already. So we did it quite a lot. I didn't vlog everything. We got all our automatic lights in the restrooms. We have to have auto lights in the restroom, but see, all the floors are done in here. In this county or city, they require us to have automatic lights. This is a storage, it doesn't need one, but for the restrooms we have to have auto lights. So see that right there, rear door. But yeah, let me go in the front area. That's what I'm working on right now. So this is our counter area. We got floor moldings on there, but the counter is gonna go right here. I already ordered the granite countertop to go on there, so they gotta come in. They're coming in on Friday to get this done. Today's Wednesday, so he's coming Friday to put the countertop in. We got our table right here, needs to be cleaned up. We have another table. The drink fridge is gonna go right here. So this is like a little official tour of what we have done so far. I know I haven't put anything out, so by the time you see this, I would have probably caught up with some videos. But this is our front area. This is the front door, so when you come through the front door, you'll be seeing this right here. So the idea is, we just got the doors painted last night. They're still wet. I'm working on this area right here. I'm working on the floor moldings. I'm just installing those now. So this is our front counter pickup area, order area. We got some cedar wood on there. I took it up on the wall, brought it up on the wall in terms of that wood look. I just give it a little design and put it up there. Subway tile, we're gonna have our sign right there. I'm working on that as well. Menu board right there. On this side, we're gonna have a huge mural on this wall, a full wall, almost full wall. I'm leaving this part out, but that section right there is where our mural is gonna go. This we're just gonna do painted walls right there, painted wall over the door, and then that's it. So these two walls are gonna be painted along with the wall around the mural, and this little wall right here is gonna be painted. So we're just gonna get those painted. I'm prepping the walls now as we speak that need to be sanded, and the holes need to be sanded, and we're gonna prime it. We gotta prime all these walls first before we put the paint on there. I was thinking about putting some color, this kind of color, but I think it's too gray, so it's clashing with the floors. I'm probably just gonna do white on those walls, or some kind of off-white. I wish this gray color was real light, like a light color, more like this right here. So I'm gonna play around with those colors and see what we come up with. This is our customer bathroom. So see, we got automatic lights right there, comes on when you walk in. Ceiling is done, moldings are done, all the moldings. This bathroom is pretty much finished. It just needs the mirror right here, and then all the paper towel holders, toilet paper holder, hand wash dispenser, soap dispenser, and then this will be done. But all the moldings are done. Trim work is done around the moldings. This, per the city, we have to put ceiling wall tiles from floor to ceiling. So we had no choice. We had to put, for me, I would have painted it and put maybe halfway up, or some kind of border or something, I don't know. But they want us to do, when it comes to the public restrooms over here in this city, we have to have tile all the way up, or some kind of FRP all the way up. So in the rear bathroom, I did FRP. In the front bathroom, I did the tile. The customer area, customer gets the nice bathroom, right? So yeah, those are on timed lights. Once it doesn't pick up any motion, it turns off. The lights are already in for this area. We just need the AC vent for that right there. All our electrical lights are installed. All the flooring is done. We did all this. So my last video probably had some clips of me, or previous videos had clips of me doing the floors, the quarter tiles, those tiles. As I said, it's real time consuming. It took at least a week, 2 weeks worth of work to do all the tiles in here, and grout them, and grout those, and grout the wall tiles in there. It takes time. You gotta be on your knees a lot the whole time. It took us about 2 weeks to do all the tile work in both this area, that area, all the bathrooms, wall tiles, bathroom, to do all of that 2 weeks, and other stuff, because we did the moldings as well, put up the mural, the thing for the mural, the doors. It's a lot of work, guys. This space was an empty space. It's pretty much an empty space, so there was nothing in here. We had to put the FRP, we had to put these walls you're looking at right here. If you watch my first videos, this space was just an empty blank space with concrete floors, no plumbing, no nothing. So see, we have a water heater up there, mentioned that in the other videos. So this is just pretty much an update on where we at. This is the back kitchen right here. Our cooking area is going to be right here. Our refrigerators are going to be on this wall right here, from here to that wall. And then this is where we'll be doing our prepping and assembling, packing our food right here. This table is going to be over here. That's the equipment table. That table is going to move over. So once we get everything in place and all cleaned up, it'll be a brand new kitchen. I would say 98 to 99% of the things in here is going to be brand new. So it's a brand new build. The only thing, yeah, there's probably pretty much everything. This is used. It's new used. We had it, but we just never used it, so it's sitting around. This was a used refrigerator from A City Discount. It's got scuff marks on there, but it's brand new inside. As you can tell, it's brand new. So it's like maybe one of those floor models. So it's been moved around and get dings on it, But I don't think it was used because the plastic was still on it. I took the plastic off. So it's probably one of those floor models they had where they were just moving it around. This was new as well. I just store a lot of stuff in. I had a trailer, it was in there, so it gets scratched up, but for the most part it was barely used, or if any used. This is brand new. Our grill, just dusty, it needs to be cleaned. So everything is brand new. The tables are new. As I said, right now it's just dusty and need to be cleaned. All our sinks and everything was brand new mop sink, brand new hand wash sinks, brand new table, new shelves over there. So everything in here is pretty much new hood, so it's a fresh start, So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get started with the working. It's hard to vlog and film because I'm pretty much doing the filming, the editing, the vlogging, doing everything at once. I'm doing all this work in here with some help from a friend of mine, good friend of mine. So we're the ones working on it. The plumbers came. I have contractors for the electrical, the plumbing, the AC, the hood, fire suppression. I have contractors for that. I can't do that. I mean, I could do those work, but I'm not licensed to do it. So I had to get plumbers to come and put the floor drains in, put the sink in. Some of those things you need heavy equipment to do it. I don't have those equipment, so I just had them come and do it. The electrical work has to be done by a licensed professional and inspected and all that. So we got those passed. They did all that work. Electrician came in, knocked it out in like 2-3 days. Got all our lights in place, all our plugs, everything in place. We just waiting on some breakers now. Hood guys coming in, as I said. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm working. I'm gonna try and get some vlogs. These videos, by the time you're watching this, it would have probably already been done. The work in here would probably already been done. Because I'm working, I don't have enough time in a day to go home and edit these videos to put them out. So by the time you're watching this video, this space is probably going to be finished and operational. When it's done, I'll go through, and when I get the time, I'll pretty much start catching up on the posting. But this video is not even going to be posted in real time, like live every day. You know what I'm saying? I know the channel is live every day, but I can't. It's just impossible. I don't have someone editing these videos for me, and I'm working. I'm actually literally working. Look, I'm dirty. So I'm working, putting in molding, sanding walls, doing the floors. We did the tiles. Me and a buddy of mine did the tiles. So there's not enough time in a day. We finish at 2-3 in the morning. 2-3 in the morning, I ain't gonna take up a computer to edit, to put the video out. I get up next morning and come right here. So it's just here all day, just working all day on this. We've been pushed back a couple months before we could start because of the permits. We never got our permit to start working until November. It's now January, ending of January. So we got the permit the ending of November. So we started working on December. So December and January. So 2 months. We did all this in 2 months. I know it could be quicker, but it's only 2 of us working on it. The contractors did the main part of it, and then we're doing all the finishing work. So I know it could be done quicker than that, but it's only 2 of us. So we're pushing through. I'm still pushing through for March. So hopefully by the time you see this video, we'll probably be open, but this video is going to be delayed. It's going to be out when we're actually open. So, or maybe before. I'll probably get this one out before. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. It's been 15 minutes. I've been chatting too much. I'm gonna get to work. Catch you guys in the next one.
Pulido para acá.
Todo está pulido.
Pero este lado no. Acá para atrás.
How many inches they overhang?
We're gonna do like a 2-inch. Let me get my tape. 2-inch in the back, and the rest.
Dos y dos.
Pero dos aparte de cuándo.
No, dos de adentro solamente quiere. Y ya el resto para afuera.
Let me see. Let's do 2.5.
Dos y medio. Para allá adelante.
¿Le vas a poner algo aquí?
Yeah, we'll put a strip.
Oh.
A strip right here.
On here?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
A partir de este me lo
Or same 2.5 feet.
¿Quieres dos y medio ahí también?
igual.
Aí, mano, quiero ir.
¿Para qué? ¿Está ocupado? ¿Te fueron a qué hora? ¿A qué hora? ¿A las 9? Habla claro, si Andrea te regañó, yo te
Mañana vas a ir para Teco, ¿sí?
Ay, ¿no?
Para que no se quite el silicón.
La vamos a poner hacia arriba en el centro. La dinámica es que nosotros levantamos cintura hacia abajo y la recogemos. Para no gastar como la pesa derecha.
Sí, pero yo te digo, o sea, a veces
Porque la puedes aguantar de camita.
ahí arriba, pero ajá, tú vas a tener que pasar por allá de este lado, o a menos que eso pase de este lado y te ayude.
No, vamos a poner así como te digo. Así en el medio.
De zorrilla. Nadie lo va a dar el contigo.
Y aquí la camita subida. ¿No? Mételo un poquito más. Ok. La puedes inclinar un poquito hacia abajo. Si yo la paro aquí. Dátelo también. Ok. Ahora cortamos así. Dale, empuja.
This shit heavy as fuck. Huh? God damn, bro.
Empuja de allá para acá.
Yo! I had no watch this already. Oh my god, we probably about a thousand pounds.
Dale.
Bro.
Ya.
Yo. God. So how much that one weigh?
Maybe
That one bigger.
16 or 700 pounds.
Slack.
You want me to lift that shit?
Yeah.
I'd rather do this. That's some shit, bro. God.
¿Qué pasa con el músculo, mano?
Mano.
Mano casi se cae.
Enseñé aquí siempre. Eso, así como cuando te sacas el matico. Así es aquí.
Es que tienes que echar la camioneta más para atrás, marico.
Sí, porque la cera quería así, weón, y esta mierda me dolía.
I see them in the yard all the time, and I'm saying, shit, they. What the? Yo!
Que está muy pesado para dos personas.
Yeah.
No, it's not heavy.
Huh? I always thought they were, you know, not heavy.
No.
Ah, no, espérate, y la máquina de ese hoyo. Y un lado un lápiz y no más, yo hice contigo, sí, también.
¿Hay corriente ahí o la tensión?
Esta la sacas de aquí y aquí hay corriente. Y la escuadra.
¿La pequeña o la grande?
La grande.
You have power in inside?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, I got it.
Él dice que tiene tensión, yo creo que a conectar ahí.
Oh, other
You need another one?
sí, spray off vacuum
Oh.
machine.
Bueno, está marcando, ¿no?
Un cuarto, tenemos 6, un cuarto.
Vamos a dar 4. Pero acuérdate que lo bien grande, puede ser que.
Marico, hay una puerta nueva y una nueva.
Este es el claro.
No, todavía te digo, en la puerta.
¿Ese es el que está en la puerta?
No hay una así en la puerta, mano.
Hay uno naranja.
¿Qué?
A 30.
No, pero esa no está ahí muy cerquita. Mano, tráete una espátula para raspar todo el silicón que se arrastró, weón.
Como una que bataneaste esta, ¿no? Con el madre.
¿Qué? No me va también, si es falta de respeto,
No.
chamo.
Rectángulo, tú. Le voy a echar clear a esto aquí.
Echarle poco aquí, ¿no?
No, hermano, que es muy grande.
Así que poco.
Se lo va a tapar con lo mismo que allá, ¿no?
No sé, pregúntale. Le echo poco.
Excuse me, sir. You wanna put caulking here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicho, mis cosas medio bien. No medio bien, no sé.
¿Cómo sabes?
Bueno, porque las medidas que estoy agarrando yo también exactamente las de él.
Ah,
Porque supongo que las midió después, no sé. Me la vas así, mano.
te la hace un poquito. ¿Ah? No, ahora es igual, ¿no? Porque se me abre los distintos. Dale. Apaga. No era que tengo tanto coquín en esa mierda, porque ese coquín se abre aquí, bro, y daña todas las pistolas. Era como ayer le quité uno a
No,
Pedro.
o sea, son 4 nada más, Juanito, para...
No, pero es que así sea.
Porque si vamos para México y por allá llevamos 3 cosas, no sé cómo
No,
vamos a conseguir.
ya está. Aquí no se utiliza mucho coquín.
Claro, pero no sabía si aquí vamos a usarlo, marico. La espátula la tenemos.
Ahí está.
¿Quiere que le echemos la juega aquí?
Coco.
Cooking.
Jesús estaba necio ayer, ¿no?
¿Por qué?
Jesús, el reloj, ¿no?
Ah, el reloj. Sí, obstinó a Pedro y me dijo, no me puedo hacer eso, digamos. Eso no me puedo hacer. Es que él se pone intenso, marico. Él lo hace por joder. No porque las cosas realmente queden mal. Yo creo que esos maracuchos que dicen, no, yo estoy pagando y por eso me meten todo.
Dale, vamos a la hueva. No, parecerá que ese marico.
Pues es porque es maracucho.
Como si lo hiciera por nota, pues.
Por eso.
Porque antes a mí me jodían mucho, yo cuando instalaba.
Aquí no quiere que le echemos nada.
No, ni aquí.
Restaurant?
Yeah. Caribbean. Jamaica. Jamaica.
¿Qué le echaste de aquel lado, Abraham? ¿Qué le echaste de aquel lado?
Clear.
Ok. ¿Y allá qué le vas a echar? Cooking.
Ahí solo coque.
Pásame.
Ese es clear, ese. Ese fue el que utilizaste tú para allá abajo.
Es una barra pintura. Más entonces, ¿no vas a trabajar entonces en la mañana? está pendiente, o sea, ya es el mes que viene, si ya no usamos facturas, que echan cerca de las colonias.
Look good. So this don't need no seal or anything like that, right?
No, for this material, no.
No.
Que si no necesita sealer. No, no.
Si le la mancha.
What they call this? What they call it? Is it what kind of stone?
This one is granite.
Granite.
Okay. Yeah, the quartz is that one. This one is quartz.
Ah, no, esto es granito, esto es cuarzo.
Pero ese no lleva sealer.
No, no, es que el cuarzo no lleva silver. Silver granite.
Yeah, the granite, the sealer is good for this.
That one's a lighter. That's a lighter.
Yeah. This one is real, yeah. This one is, yeah.
What kind of sealer you normally use for the stone? So that
Muestra ahí, this one.
water catches it. Alright guys, Pepper's project coming along. Countertops are installed. Let me show you what it looks like from in the front. We got that little wall feature going all the way up. This piece right here goes in the front right there. What I did was I made it removable, so this piece is removable so we could get the larger equipment in that can't go through the door. So that's the whole reason for this piece being empty. I made it, you know, removable. So that's done right there. Our restroom is done. I just got some caulking to do, on the molding. Seal, you know, put caulking around the edges. But this is finished. We just need a mirror. I'm gonna install the paper towel holder, the soap dispenser, toilet paper dispenser, and this restroom is finished. This side right here, we're waiting on the mural to go on this section right here. We're gonna put a large mural right there. That's gonna be a surprise, guys. Then this area is gonna leave painted. We're just gonna do some leaf wall art, leaf on here. We're gonna do some leaf wall art on that wall. Just a few leaf, big leaves, you know, palm leaves right there. We're gonna take this black thing down once we're ready to open, clean the glass and stuff like that. But yeah, we almost there, guys. We got our sinks installed in the previous videos. You already saw that. We got our hand wash sinks, we got our tables ready to go. We have the hood, he's not done yet, so he's gonna, you know, as I said before, he's gonna install the stainless steel back right here. The fans need to go in, the vent and the fire suppression needs to be installed. We already got all our gas piping in. Already spoke with Atlanta Gas. They're gonna come out and put our meter in to get gas in a few days. I would say by next week. It's now Friday, so they'll get that in. This refrigerator is gonna be removed. We're gonna use this one. It's a freezer, and I'm gonna get another double door refrigerator, 2 double door refrigerators. All our don't mind our mess, guys. I cook in the daytime. We got our electrical outlets in, all GFCI outlets, plug outlets. They're all installed out in the entire building. I have to put the breakers in next, so I got 6 of them, 5 20 amp and 1 30 amp. I'm waiting on 3 more, so they're all gonna be installed right here. So I'd ordered them, but they haven't, all of them hasn't come in yet. So when all of them come in, we're gonna install those, and electrical will be done after that. I got the cameras installed, so today I'm gonna put this wire right here. I'm gonna drill for the outside. I'm gonna put the cameras on the outside. All the inside ones have been installed, so we just got to put one on the outside by the back door, and then I'm gonna put 2 in the front by the front door, and then that will be it. We already got our water heaters hooked up, mop sink, vegetable sink, 3 compartment sink, hand wash sink. We have our equipment over here already. That's the grill right there. I still haven't purchased the 4 burner range. I still haven't purchased the oven, so those are coming next. And then we got our fryers way over there, 2 fryers. That's our warmer. So yeah, we're pretty much good to go now. Got a little French fry warmer right here. Got our outlets for our rice cookers. It's gonna be electric rice cookers. So yeah, all our plumbing is done. Our floor drain. This flooring right here, we already grouted it, but I think it shrunk a little bit. So, or maybe we took too much of the grout out when we were cleaning it off. But I'm thinking I'm gonna put another coat of grout on this, in between those tiles. If you look, it's kind of deep. See it? So I want to kind of level it off. When we sweep, stuff gets stuck down in there. You see it? Dirt stuck in there. So I'm just gonna give it another round of grout. We're gonna have to do the whole thing, unfortunately, but it's okay the way it is. But with it being smooth, like filled, those grout lines filled, when you sweep, there is nothing gonna get caught in those lines, right? So I'm just gonna raise that grout up to tile level, get it up a little bit more. These around here is good. That's fine. Nothing. That's good right there. It's just the ones in the kitchen area. The grout lines was really thick. It was like I think it was like a 1/4 inch grout line we used. So this was a lot of tiles, guys. So what happened is, because the tiles are so expensive in terms of I got these on a deal, so I only had a certain amount, so I had to make these grout lines bigger in order to use less tiles, if you understand what I'm saying. If I made these grout lines real tiny and 1/16 of an inch, we would have probably used up a lot more tiles. So that's the only reason for we making the grout lines this big. To be honest, all the kitchens I've been looking into, I've never seen them made the lines tiny, like a 16th or 1/8. See how these right here, this is the small grout lines, these are bigger. Yeah, I've never seen a kitchen with small grout lines in the back. I don't know why they do that, but there must be a good reason why they do that. So anyhow, you just saw the installation of the countertops. The guys are leaving right there. They're just driving out. But they did a amazing job. It's good. They caulked everything, caulked on here. So now I gotta finish this drywall section right here. Now that they got this in. So it's coming together, guys. This part right here is removable. It's kind of heavy, but it's removable. So I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna put this thing on a cart or a wheel set up right here on a cart itself, so we could just wheel it out of the way because it's real heavy. These stones right here, guys, granite stones, they're real heavy. You know, I was asking them about the sealer, if we have to seal this one. They said no, we don't have to seal this type. They cut our holes for our POS system. We got 2 holes. So on this setup right here, I'm planning on putting a POS system, point of sale system right here. So we're gonna have one screen right here the customer could pay on that end, and then we're gonna have another one right here where you could do self checkout. So the self checkout is gonna be right here, where they could order up, you know, themselves. The screen is gonna be facing the customer. So that's the gas station out there. We're located in a gas station, in a suite inside the Circle K. So pretty much that's the gas station over there. It's about to rain, guys. And then this is Peppa's. We're gonna order our menu boards right there. And I was gonna go with TVs for the menu board, but I changed my mind. I'm just gonna do a printed menu board right there. And we'll probably do a LED sign right there, and then a mural right here, leaf art right here, leaf art right here. So anyhow, go on, stay tuned. I'm gonna run some cameras today and just do trim work. We have a caulking to go around the doors. We got caulking to go on the trims. I did the floor trims already, but I'm gonna do the ones around here and in the bathroom. So I'm gonna caulk all those. I'm gonna paint those trims up there. So go on, stay tuned. We're gonna get that done right now.